Welcome to Cadastry Drafting and Film. Today we're featuring a quick example of ergonomic design capabilities using Autodesk Inventor. While working with new designs and mechanical innovations, the Inventor software improves spatial geometry and efficiency in the prototyping process. One of our designs for ergonomic wrist support began as a primitive sketch, to say the least. After analysis, we settled on basic components which were modeled in Inventor. Next, we modeled the essentials. The assembly and joint functions allow for a proper fitting with accurate proportions. Visual dynamics and tuning of mechanics for comfort are determined. The exclusive joint assembly and drive function in Inventor reinforces streamlined physics and dynamic structure, creating a virtual prototype. Versatile calibration and refined geometric functions allow for an infinite possibility in creative ergonomic design.